Assalamu alaikum, my shining stars. Hope so that you all are fine at home. Today, my dear class, we are going to do a grammar work that is called active voice and passive voice. Today, I will tell you some rules of the two tenses, so you have to keep in mind the rules, and then it will be easy for you to change the active sentences into passive sentences. Now, let's move. Now my dear class, first of all, topic is active voice and passive voice and the rules. Active voice, present continuous tense. First of all, we are talking about present continuous tense. Any action beta that is still happening in the present, for these sentences we use present continuous tense. For example, look at the formula of present continuous tense. The formula for the present continuous tense is, first we will write subject. First we will write subject, a person, anything that is doing the work is called subject. So after subject we will use is, am and are. Because Sara is a subject and Sara is a singular, that's why I use here is. Is, am, are helping verbs, so we use here is. After my class, we will use verb first form with ing. Here verb first form is eat and with ing it become eating. The next last is object on which the person is doing work, an apple. So this is called object. Now the whole sentence for active voice is Sara is eating an apple. This is active sentence. So how we will change into passive voice? Beta, when we are changing active voice into passive voice, first of all, the subject take the place of object and object takes the place of subject. So we will interchange subject with the object. In the passive voice, first of all, we will write subject. But in active voice, as you observe that first we write subject, but in passive voice, first we write object. And what was the object? An apple. Next we will move after object, we will write is, am and are. But in passive form, we will use is, am, are with being. And here apple is singular, that's why we use is, and with is we use being. Now let's move. Here we are using verb first form with ing in active sentences, but beta, when we are doing passive sentences, we will use its third form. Eat, third form is eaten, and with third form we use by, eaten by. And as I tell you that subject will be at the last, so Sara will be at the end. So what will be the passive sentence? Passive sentence will be an apple is being eaten by Sara. And what is the active sentence? Sara is eating an apple. And what is the passive sentence? An apple is being eaten by Sara. So this is the rule how we change present continuous tense into passive voice. Now I have another work. Okay beta, as we have done present continuous tense, now with present continuous tense we will do past continuous tense, because it is little bit same. So but the main difference is the work that were continue in the past, and some of the work is still happening, we call it past continuous. For active voice, as you know that first of all we will write subject plus. In present continuous tense we write is, am, are, but in past continuous sentences we write was and were. And was and were are called helping verbs. Yes, they are called helping verbs. After, my dear class, in past continuous also we use verb first form with ing. Eat change into eating, and at the last we will write subject, an apple. So the same sentence in the past continuous tense will be Sara was eating an apple. Have you observed that what is the main difference between present continuous and past continuous? Only the difference is was and were. In past continuous we use is am are, but in past continuous we use was. Okay beta, how we change active voice of the past continuous tense into passive voice? First of all, what we will do? Yes, we will change subject with the object. Subject will come at object place and object will come at subject place. In the passive voice, first of all, what we will write? Object. Yes. After we will write was and were, and was and were with being. Yes. In the present continuous we write is am are with being, and in the past continuous we will write was were being plus verb third form by and subject. So the sentence of passive voice for past continuous tense will be an apple was being eaten by Sarah. And what is the active voice sentence of past continuous? Sarah was eating an apple. How it changed into passive voice? An apple was being eaten by Sarah. Now let's move to the book work. Okay my dear class, on page number 124, it's A part. We have to change these sentences into passive voice. I will help you that how you will do this, but you will write, first you will write sentence and then you will write in passive form on the next line. For example, the active sentence is, the earth was dug up to make the banks and platforms. Now I am telling, the banks and platforms are object, the earth is subject, was were is helping verb, and dug is verb third form. So how you will change? You will write object first, the banks and platforms. After you will write was with being. But have you observed that the banks and platforms, because they are plural, so with the plural we will use were. Okay, were. So how we will change it into passive form? The banks, the T will be capital. The banks and platforms were being dug up by the earth. Next sentence is, water is used for irrigating crops. How we will change? For irrigating crops is being used by water. 2 or 3 crops of rice are grown by the farmers. The farmers are being grown by 2 or 3 crops. Nearly 1 million tons of fish are caught. So what is the object? Caught. Caught is a verb. So fish are being caught by nearly 1 million tons. Rice is the main crop grown by farmers. Farmers are being grown. Farmers are being grown by the rice. Next is, houses in Bangladesh are built on stilts. Stilts are being built by the houses in Bangladesh. So you will do these 6 active sentences and you have to change in passive form, and make sure that write on notebook, and if you have any query you can ask me now. Okay, Allah Hafiz.